Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Firebase Authentication for login flows in no-code builders, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, open your no-code builder platform. Navigate to the section where you can add user authentication features. Choose the option to integrate Firebase Authentication. If you don't have a Firebase account, go to the Firebase website. Click on the Get Started button to create a new account. Once logged in, select Add Project to create a new Firebase project. Enter a name for your project and click Continue. Choose whether to enable Google Analytics for your project. Then, click Create Project to finalize the setup. After your project is created, you'll be directed to the project dashboard. Click on Build in the left sidebar. From the drop-down, select Authentication. Click on Get Started to open the authentication settings. On this page, choose the Sign-in Method tab. Here, you can enable various sign-in providers like email/password in Google. To enable email/password, toggle the switch to Enabled. Click Save to confirm your settings. Now, go back to your no-code builder platform. Locate the API key and project credentials from your Firebase project settings. Copy the API key and project ID. Return to your no-code builder and look for a place to input these credentials. Paste the API key and project ID into the respective fields. Next, set up the login and registration forms in your no-code builder. For the registration form, ensure it collects the email and password. Enable the functionality to send a password reset link if needed. Then, set up the login form to authenticate users. Link these forms to the Firebase authentication actions. Test the registration flow by filling out the form and submitting. Check the Firebase dashboard to confirm if a new user was created. Next, test the login flow using the newly registered credentials. Ensure that users can log in successfully and access your application. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.